Hello, this is Zan Williams with the Kings Bay, and today I'll be showing you how to repair aluminum. For today's project, you will need sandpaper, Bondo and hardener, painter scrapes, nitrate gloves, and your choice of color spray paint. To get started, sand remaining paint from the damaged area, as your repair will only be as strong as the layer beneath it. Next, using nitrate gloves, work a glob of Bondo with a dab of hardener until the color is a pink hue. The darker your Bondo is, the faster it will harden. With your Bondo mixed, lightly fill the damaged area using your finger. While your Bondo dries, it is important to clean your painter scrapes, as the Bondo will harden to your tool, becoming much tougher to clean. With your repair now dried, sand the area until smooth. Slight blemishes from air pockets and debris are not uncommon and can be fixed by repeating the process. Now that your repair is smooth, apply a few coats of spray paint. Once the paint is dry, your repair should be complete. For more how-tos from the Kings Bay, please like and subscribe and visit our YouTube page.